With over 1 million elevators across the United States facilitating more than 18 billion passenger trips every year, the safety and accessibility of these vital transport systems must be guaranteed for every passenger, including those who are deaf, hard of hearing, or speech impaired. Emergencies can be particularly challenging for riders with hearing or speech impairments. Traditional emergency communication systems often don't meet their needs, potentially leading to critical delays during emergencies. To address this, the 2019 American Society of Mechanical Engineers (ASME) code now requires a one-way video communication stream in elevators. This system is designed to revolutionize emergency responses, ensuring that every rider has the support they need when they need it most. In an emergency, riders can simply press the Help button. This activates the video stream, allowing monitoring station personnel to see into the elevator. They can visually assess the situation and provide immediate, effective assistance tailored to the needs of the passenger, particularly benefiting those who cannot use traditional audio-only systems. This video assistance feature is a lifeline. It ensures that every call for help is seen and heard, increasing safety for riders who are deaf or hard of hearing by facilitating visual communication. It also helps verify the authenticity of emergency calls, reducing the number of false alarms that lead to unnecessary dispatches. Enhancing this technology, POTS in a Box integrates seamlessly into existing systems, offering not only compliance with new regulations, but also enhanced communication capabilities. Its built-in battery backup ensures that even in a power outage, communication remains uninterrupted. By implementing POTS in a Box, you ensure that your elevator system is not only compliant, but also equipped to offer real-time, visual-based aid to riders who might otherwise face significant barriers during emergencies. Act now to transform your elevator's emergency response system. Contact us today to upgrade to POTS in a Box and take a significant step towards inclusive safety for all passengers. With POTS in a Box, you're not just installing a compliant solution, you're ensuring that every passenger, regardless of their hearing or speaking capabilities, has access to safe and reliable emergency communication.